CycleSellerz.com and motorcycleparts.com. Here today, L.O.F. Motorsports in Lantana, Florida. My good buddy Reggie Richard here. We're here with the giveaway bike, 2009 Yamaha R1. I know I promised you guys we do have some upcoming videos. This is going to be one of them. Right now we're going to go ahead and change out the chain and sprocket that's on it. The chain and sprocket that I put on the bike when I originally built it, I kind of switched it out for some lower gearing to do some high-speed runs. But we're going to make it more streetable now by going back to very close to the stock gearing. Very close. Not exact, but real close to it. But it is a 520 chain and sprocket, Vortex sprockets, and arcade chain. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it here. While we are changing out the chain and sprocket, we're also going to go ahead and add a lightweight racing rear brake rotor to the bike as well. So stay tuned, and you're going to see it all get swapped out right now. At your face, I have a hot situation going on.
I only use juices and berries in my videos. No chemicals. I use no chemicals. Just juices and berries. That is how we do it at L.O.F. Motorsports, your one-stop shop, Lantana, Florida. One, two, three.
Good.
That's up. So tell me when.
Good.
Come on, hustlers. To the rest when you can come to the best. Oh, what Motorsports? One-stop shop.
Alright, so total chain sprocket and rear brake rotor, and we went ahead and changed the suspension link, suspension dog bone, to where it was adjustable now. So all in all, right at 30 minutes, even though this video is going to be shortened up quite a bit for you guys. So again, this is the R1 Giveaway 2009 Superbike. Engine specs on this thing are ridiculous. It is a beast. That's why it's nicknamed the Chimera. Check it out, CycleSellerz.com or motorcycleparts.com. If you're in South Florida, check out L.O.F. Motorsports. My man Reggie here. He'll come take care of you. Anyways, ride safe, and don't forget, life begins on two wheels.